Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss the semantic HTML element. We will discuss header, nav, main, section, aside. If we see the example of this site, this part of this site is known as header part, and this is defined by header tag. Inside this header tag we define navigation options for this site. These are the navigation options. We define these navigation options using nav tag. Inside header tag we define nav tag. Then we define these options. And this part of this site is main part. This part is defined by main tag. And another part of this site is known as sections. This is a section, this is another section, and this is another section. Similarly, these all are sections. We define these sections using section tag. And at last, this is a footer part of this site. This part is defined by footer tag. Inside footer tag we define all of these options. So these are the semantic HTML elements. We use semantic HTML elements to define structure of any web page.